Hello, this is Mrs. Marsh. Today we'd like to talk to you about measurement. So what is measurement? Measurement is a quantitative observation. Quantitative is kind of like a quantity, so think of it as an amount. What measurement is not, it's just not simply numbers. Measurements are obtained or collected by comparing an object to a standard unit. So for example, we have this mass in France and it is exactly 1 kilogram. So we can compare it to that particular mass. Now we obviously don't have access to that particular 1 kilogram mass, but we do have access to items that are compared to that standard. So we can compare that particular 1 kilogram mass that we have access to in our classroom to the mass of other objects as well. We also know that measurements are inexact. Okay, they're not exactly a certain way. There's a little bit of wiggle room involved in measurements. Science is based on measurement. So sometimes people say that, oh, well, it's an exact science. When we just said that measurement is not exact, and then measurement is involved in science. So go figure. Measurement must have 3 things. Magnitude, which is just a fancy word for a numerical value. They have uncertainty and also units. Here are 4 base units we use in science. Length, which is in meters, the abbreviation is M. Mass, we measure in kilograms, and the abbreviation is kg. Time, which is seconds, and we abbreviate it with a S. And lastly, temperature, which is measured in Kelvin, and the abbreviation is a capital K. This is perhaps a little new to you compared to Fahrenheit we use here and Celsius, many other places worldwide. Derived units are putting in other units together. For example, we end up mathematically using units together. Area, we find by taking length and multiplying by height. If we measure length in meters and also the height in meters, meters times meters, which is metered square. And so your area is in meters squared. Velocity is another example. We find that by taking distance divided by time. We measure distance in meters, time in seconds. So it's meters per second or meters every second. That is the end of our measurement notes.